Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Backbencher Helps. Today my topic is how to on creator mode and add follow button and portfolio button in your profile. So firstly open your LinkedIn profile and go on view profile, scroll down, scroll down. Here you see creator mode. Go on creator mode button, click next, turn on and go to my profile section. Click on edit button, scroll down, scroll down. Here you see custom button, custom button. So firstly click on edit custom button, click on link, paste your link of your portfolio and link text, then save. Okay, done. Here you see your portfolio is here. Simply click on this and here you see this is my portfolio. Okay, simply close this. Okay.